These nails lasted me 21 days and I did them at home. In today's video I'm going to show you my fully manicurist green flash routine, from removal, prep, application, wear test, and how I get that long-lasting glossy finish. I always start by removing any previous product. Here I'm wearing the Renew Active Blur, which is an all-in-one nail treatment that smooths imperfections and gives a soft pink matte finish. To remove it I'm using the green flash remover, which is acetone-free and really gentle on the nails. Before any manicure, prep is everything. One step I never skip is this cuticle softener. It's honestly a game changer if your cuticles tend to get dry or rough. It helps remove dead skin effortlessly. I apply it around the nail folds, leave it on for about 2 minutes, then gently push back the cuticles and remove any excess skin. After that, make sure to wash your hands really well before moving on. Next, I shape my nails using a file. I personally prefer a slightly rounded shape, but of course you can choose whatever suits you best. Before applying any product, I lightly buff the nails to create a smooth surface and help everything adhere better. Now let's move on the application. I start with the vitaminized base coat, which is essential for protecting the nails and helping the color last longer. I apply a thin layer and always cup the free edges. This step makes a big difference in how long your manicure lasts. Then I cure it under the LED lamp. I'm using the 36 watt LED lamp, which I really like because it cures much faster than my old 24 watt one. I always do 4 fingers first and leave the thumb for last to make sure everything cures properly. Next is the color. This is the shade Mist Grey, a beautiful mineral blue with grey undertones inspired by misty mountain horizons. It's such a classic, elegant color. It actually works better if you take a slightly larger amount and distribute it evenly. Just make sure you wipe one side of the brush and keep the right amount of product at the tip. That way you get a smooth, even application. After applying the first coat and cupping the edges, cure it under the lamp, then repeat for a second coat. You can even go in with a third layer if you want extra strength and opacity. Just make sure not to apply the layers too thick and cure each one properly. Now for the most important step, and honestly the star of this video, the new Xtrem Flash Taupe Coat. This is what gives you that up to 21st day wear, and I can say this from my experience because I've tested it. When applying it, be very careful with the amount. You need just enough product to cover the nail, but not too much. I use multiple swiping motions to make sure the layer is thin and even. Also, before curing, always clean any excess product around the cuticles. This step is very important. Once cured, this top coat gives a beautiful mirror-like shine, a slightly plump gel effect, and incredible durability. And what I love most, even though it lasts so long, it still removes very easily using the same remover and clips. You just leave the clips on for about 10 minutes, or a bit longer if you apply 2 layers. If you do apply 2 layers, the nail becomes even stronger and more resistant. To finish everything, I always apply a cuticle oil to deeply nourish the nails and the skin. Then I go in with a hand cream. This step makes such a difference in how the manicure looks overall. And here is the final result. Beautiful, classic nails with a glossy finish that looks like a salon manicure, but done completely at home. If you want to recreate this look or try the Manicurist Green Flash system, you can get 15% off automatically at Manicurist US and UK when shopping through my links below. No code needed. Everything I used in this video is linked in the description. Just add your favorites to your basket and the discount will apply automatically at checkout. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Green Flash system or if you would, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!